guys! Welcome to our educational vlog which is talks about fire safety. But before that, let me introduce myself first. I'm Lovely Salvano and I'm with my group.
Hello guys, I'm Rosemary. Good morning.
Hi guys, my name is Romani Hamas. Good morning.
And hello guys, my name is Genevieve Peter Diaz and good morning. Hi guys, my name is Eva Ipagaw. Magandang buhay.
I'm going to identify first what is fire. So fire is the most common damaging agent and a major disaster. About 80% of the property is rendered total cost after a building is engulfed in fire. At the same time, fire causes substantial number of burns and death cases. So provision should be made for the safety of the customers and the property against fire. So my question is, what are the most important things in fire safety? So to find out that, let's go to the fire station.
So hello guys, today I'm going to tackle about the classification of fire. So according to the fuels, fire can be classified under these following categories. So the first category is the type A fire. This type of fire is caused by burning of solid organic materials. Good example for solid organic materials are the wood, paper, plastic, cloth, and lastly, the rubber. This type of fire is also known as the general fire.
The second classification of fire is the type B fire. And you say type B fire caused by burning of liquid organic materials. For example of this is petrol, diesel, kerosene oil, alcohol, and other oils. What's the type of the fire? This B fire is also known as oil fire.
Everyone, today I'm going to tackle about the third classification of fire, which is chemical fire. Chemical fire is any flame that begins due to the chemical reaction that ignites solid, liquid, gas, chemical compound. Chemical fires are dangerous one because it can cause severe and fatal burn and destroy most of the living materials that stand in their way.
The fourth classification of fire is the type D fire. This fire is caused by the combustion by both organic and inorganic gases. For example, for this is methane, petroleum gases, and hydrogen gas. This fire is also known as gaseous fire.
Hi everyone! Today I'm going to explain to you what is a type D fire. Type D fire is characterized by the presence of burning metals. Examples of flammable combustible metals include sodium, potassium, uranium, lithium, plutonium, and calcium. With the most common class D fire involved magnesium and titanium. Spraying water in a type D fire will actually serve to energize the flames, potentially spreading the fire and creating additional heat and damage. The most effective way to fight a class D fire is with dry powder extinguishing agents because they absorb the heat and smother the flames and cutting off oxygen.
My name is Eric, and I'm here to discuss on how do electrical fires start and how do you put them out. Well, first of all, how an electrical fire starts is generally too much power is being consumed. Two large of light bulb in a light fixture can actually start an electrical fire. Most of the time, it's improper wiring or loose connections where wires mix, then breaking connection. It will make a spark, and of course, sparks leads to a fire. There are some other causes of electrical fires, such as fuse in plug replaced by a nail, too high fuse in a plug, loose terminal screws in plug, overloading of extensions, combustible substances that are close to appliances, and appliances that left on overnight. Second part is what to do if you have one. Well, first and foremost, you need to call the fire department. Then you can start looking around for the sources. So you need to go to the circuit breaker panel and flip them off. If it's already started something else on fire, the only thing you can use is use a dry chemical fire extinguisher. Obviously, you don't want to pour water or use some type of fire extinguisher that's not meant for electricity. That could cause serious injury to yourself or to anyone that's using it. So, an ABC dry chemical fire extinguisher is the best way to do it. I hope this helps. Thank you.
Guys, we're going to continue our topic, which is the fire safety. And now I'm going to tackle about the conditions for fire. So the first condition is the presence of combustible material or fuel. So when we say combustible, it is something that can be burned in air, or those flammable materials that can be that catches fire easily when exposed to flame. So the second one is the presence of oxygenated air. So why oxygen? Why air? Because air is the supporter of combustion. So when we say combustion, combustion is the act of setting something on fire. It is the process of setting something on fire. So good example for that is when a chemical substance is combined with oxygen, it produces the production of heat and light. So the same process as the fire and the oxygen. The third condition is the ignition temperature. So when we say ignition, ignition is the action of setting something on fire. So because every materials have different type of fuel and ignition temperature. So others may be burned easily and others may not. So today I'm going to tackle my next topic, which is fire prevention technique. So the first technique is, if the conditions favored, fire can be contained in a limited space by the removal of unburned materials from the vicinity of the fire. So of course, when we encounter fire, we should remove some excess material so that there is no more damages the fire can go through. So the second one is covering the fire by a layer of incombustible material. So when we say incombustible, those are materials that are not easily burned when catches fire. So a good example for that is the sand and thick woolen blanket. The third one is spraying or throwing of water. So of course, that is the most common technique for us because water vapor envelopes the fire and it also restricts air supply to the fire. And therefore, water proves to be a good available fire quencher for general fire.
I'm going to talk about fire prevention techniques for oil fire, or also known as type A fire. In this case, it should be noted that sand or water should never be to quench oil fires. The reasons being that sand and water are heavier than oil have settled down in the burning oil mass, leaving the top burning layer contact with air to continue burning. At the same time, the sand or water which settles in the oil displaces the burning oil and spreads the fire further. If the cooking oil in your pan catches fire, don't panic. Just follow these instructions. First, turn off the heat. The second is run a plug under a cup and drain it out. The third is use the cloth to cover the pan and then wait until it's code right down. The fourth is, don't try and use the plant, and whatever you do, don't throw water. For controlling of oil fires, full type fire extinguisher should be used. But if you don't know how to use it properly, use baking soda to cleanse the oil catches fire. And if this is not the best advice, get out and call 474-8204. I repeat, 474-8204, and give it to the professionals.